guys, it's me, Vivo. Anyways, kind of sick, and I had to be checked out when I was going home. I got a lot of problems with my nose, like my nose holes. Just because I have like runny noses sometimes. But I don't know why I'm recording this, but I really hate it when my mom and dad makes me go to school while I have a runny nose, and my ear right here is deaf in here. So yeah.
That you had to do all kinds of stuff. Well, she says he has a microwave, he has a stove.
I'm gonna play Roblox. If you know what Roblox is, let me know in the comments below if you have Roblox or not.
He says where he lives is all industrial. So he has to go and just go little by little to the market. Yeah. I'm like, tell him to tie up a little basket.
Okay.
You know, like those crates?
Now I'm just gonna go play my games. Just like, whatever.
If you have a chance to go, maybe we would have gone to.
Hell yeah. See where my friends is up to.
And she's like, I don't have to pay for a hotel because I'm gonna go sleep in his room. They paid $1,400 over there. For his little apartment that he has.
Weird. Guys, I'm trying this weird quality basics play game.
It's in Honolulu, so but it's not even the industrial part.
I don't know why it was made.
I mean, it's in Oahu.
But it's literally weird.
It's the industrial part. My casa, my negocio.
I'm gonna go check it out. I'll be right back.
He's like, oh, I'm so bored because he doesn't have money to do extra stuff. Or to go to get a hamburger or something. And he's like, I haven't got money for anything. And Karen's like, he's gonna pay off.
I'll take that. It's mine.
A year and a half he has to be in this.
Guys, this is so weird.
He's gonna be a coach.
I don't know why it's like this.
That's the deal that they made with the school.
Seriously.
So he'll have a job.
Bigger moldy dwarfs. Smaller moldy dwarfs.
45 seconds. Detention for you.
It's
You should know that.
so
Your parents will hear about this one. When will you learn?
it's so weird.
To another state.
Okay guys, now I have to like find out if it's like normal or not.
No running in the hall. 99 seconds. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one. When will you learn?
So I'm gonna choose.
No bullying, no stabbing people, no running in the hall. No running in the hall.
So
Hurry! Detention for you. 9. When will you learn? 8. 7.
My grandma was talking. What is it? Oil That's when it's ready.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... Congratulations!
Damn!
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Are you serious? Kidding me?
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
So weird. That's so weird.
Looks like it's sweeping. Looks like it's sweeping time. Sweep.
Oh, guys, look. Looks so weird. Look. I can literally take off the screen.
Ari,
It's so weird.
Ari, what do you want me to make you for? Do you want a jelly sandwich?
No,
You want an oatmeal?
Sure, I haven't had that.
Do you want strawberry or sugar, brown sugar?
I'll do strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was just very long ice cream. You saw her my 2 previous videos, I think.
I'll do a salsa right now when you're all done.
Guys, I'm just gonna play my games like I always play. I'll just show you this, guys. Let me know in the comments below what game I'm gonna, if you want me to play.
Is this Elvis?
Let me
Yeah.
know in the comments below, just again,
This song by Elvis.
just a reminder. Again, let me know in the comments below tell me if you, guys, let me know in the comments below of what game you want to make me.